Dylan, and today I'm going to show you how to core cherry tomatoes. All I do is I'm going to take my small serrated tomato knife, and you can just take any knife, any knife will work as long as it's a serrated one, and make sure you curl those fingers underneath so you don't cut off a nail or a fingertip, and just slice the top off. Simple. Then, if you have a tomato core, this works the best. You just take your tomato, do a little bit of a twist, and the inside is out. Take out the seeds, and there you got it. An empty tomato shell. So if you don't have a tomato core, that is not a problem. So all you'll do is just slice off the top again, curling those fingertips, and just take a melon baller and just turn it. It's the same thing.